Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some wireless microphones. So these are what they look like here. So it comes with two of the microphones. I'll show you guys it here. One, two. Comes with the receiver here, which I don't know, is it rechargeable? Or do we?
Low battery, please charge.
Yes, and it comes here. This is our receiver that is rechargeable through this. And then the way it will work is, does it have a converter? Yes, it does. I can plug it into this here. So then we can plug this into my Bluetooth speaker, which said low battery. So let's see if this is gonna still work. I'll put it into the mic slot. Put the mic on here. It looks like you hold down the button. And look at that, it's got colors on it. And whoa! That is loud. Okay, so I can adjust volume. Does it do anything? Oh, it is changing. Oh, that totally changes the volume. So I can adjust the volume with this and pushing this top button. I don't know if it does anything, but how cool is that? So we have a set of two. So let me try turning the second one on. Okay, so we have one and we have two. Okay, and I think the echo and all that stuff you're hearing is because of settings on this thing here. I'm not exactly sure. There, echo. Oh, there we go. Now I have my echo off. There we go. So that is coming out of the speaker there. It sounds super clear. This is great. Okay, so these, okay, so let me turn it off. And hold it down to turn it off. Oh, that one didn't go off. You can tell it's off because the little light goes off. And these are rechargeable through USB-C. So this is gonna be great. So I have this little speaker here, just a little portable speaker, and I just plugged it into the mic slot on there on the back. And that's what's gonna give me the ability to do that. So we can take this up, watch our little videos with the karaoke stuff, and we can have a total karaoke night at home. These are awesome. So I'm gonna say thumbs up, awesome. I love microphones like this kind of stuff, totally fun.